Hello everyone, and thank you for your time today. My name is Azri, and along with Thomas, I am one of your in-house coaches here at WBTrading. Fantastic to have you joining us today as always. In today's video, I'd like to share a little bit about my experience when applying for proprietary funding last year. This video is the second part of a 3 series videos in which I'll give you some insights into the world of proprietary or prop trading. I know a lot of traders who want to be a prop trader, and I hope this video would be beneficial and useful for all of you. Without further ado, let's get started.
Just very quickly before we dive in, if you're still struggling with your trading or you'd like to know more about how mechanical edges are traded, I've put together a free video course for you that will map out and explain everything in detail, along with walking you through exactly how the mechanical rules actually work. If you'd like to watch that after this video, I'll pop a link in the description. You can click through and you can watch that straight away.
I started at WBTrading as a client in January 2020 after finding one of Will's video on YouTube. I was impressed by the quality and the attention to detail of WBTrading's YouTube videos, and like many of us, I'm also curious about mechanical trading. It is also refreshing to find a trading educator who does not flaunt their wealth, luxurious lifestyle, expensive watches, and expensive cars on YouTube. I was intrigued and decided to join WBTrading. I joined in January 2020 and started trading the mechanical strategies during one of the most volatile periods in the market, which was March 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The markets were expected to be choppy with violent movements throughout the market sessions. Nevertheless, I'm surprised to see success early on. However, I also suffered some runs of consecutive losses that has undoubtedly hurt my confidence. I had little choice at that time, so I had to make trading work, as many of my friends and family have lost their jobs due to the pandemic, and mine does look uncertain as our clients are forced to go into lockdown. I devoted 6 months to build my own trade records with the assistance of my coach, Thomas. We speak to each other consistently on a monthly basis, and we go through our trade history for the month. I raise my execution doubts with Thomas to get them clarified so I do not make the same mistakes again. Throughout the end of the Inner Circle program, I can see an account growth of between 7% to 11% that has boosted my confidence to try to become a proprietary trader. Given these performance data I have acquired, I decided to fill up an application form and answer some questions about my trading experience and strategy. People say the first step is the hardest, and it's definitely true here. In September 2021, I took the first step in getting myself a funded account. I had to apply for the program by filling up a form in which I was asked some questions about my trading experience and my trading strategies. This form is relatively straightforward to complete. The second stage was a Zoom interview I had to do where I had to elaborate about my trading experience and my trading strategies in greater detail. I had to share my trading records from my broker for the past 6 months to show that my strategies work. I had to answer some very specific questions about risk management, trading psychology, and demonstrate my ability to think in probabilities. I can see that this firm is focused on making sure that you have a strict rule in place for risk management. I believe they were happy to hear that I was using the 1% risk per trade rule, and when analyzing my trades, they can see that my losses never exceed more than 1% of my account balance. That undoubtedly provided them with great comfort, knowing that I am an astute risk manager. When going through my trade history, they can also see that my wins are always at least 3 times larger than my losses. I explained that my strategies have provided me with a rather low win rate of approximately 35%. Nevertheless, I am still profitable because my wins are always larger than my losses, at least 3R, and my losses are always kept at 1% maximum or minus 1R. This is another plus for me, and I can see that they were impressed. I believe my interview went well, and within 24 hours, I received notification of my approval. After that, the funding process was seamless and I was ready to start trading as a proprietary trader. They gave me an initial account of $15,000, which is going to increase over time as I achieve my profit milestone. It goes without saying that to be successful in anything in life, one must have the desire, willingness, and the motivation to achieve something. This is the same with being a prop trader. One must have the ambition to become a prop trader, as it is certainly not easy to get funded. There are many prop firms in the industry with different evaluation methods to select traders. I chose a firm that does not believe in demo trials or challenges. I did an interview with them, and when successful and accepted, I started with a live account straight away. At the interview, I'm required to present my trade history for the past 6 months, including explaining my trading strategies in greater detail. The interviewer spent some time analyzing my trades and asking questions about my risk management policy, and also getting to know my trading style better. It was more of an informal chat as we got to know each other, and I was given an opportunity to ask any questions I have about the prop firm. I was impressed with their scaling plan, where this firm doubles the size of my account every time I reach the 10% profit target up to a maximum of $500,000. I am also pleased to learn that they do not operate within timeframes, as they don't want to put pressure on their traders. In other words, profit share is only paid when you hit the 10% profit target, which works well for me. The firm also has a maximum drawdown rule of 10% on the initial account balance. Given my risk management policy, which I've acquired from my education here at WB Trading, it is unlikely that I'll hit the drawdown, as we always make sure that our losses is just 1% per trade. By having risk rules in place, I found that my well-being and my mindset has improved, resulting in consistent efforts, which ultimately leads to consistent results. Congratulations on getting funded. It is the start of a new journey with great possibilities. You can make money via trading anytime, anywhere. While the possibilities may be great, the risk is quite high, and if you're not careful, you can lose your funded account in a blink of an eye. It is very important to continuously develop yourself as a trader, and please make use of the education resources made available to you by your prop firms. Make use of their trading psychologists, or just contact us if you ever need to talk to someone about anything. It is a lonely world, this pursuit of trading. No one really understands what we do, and remember, we are always here for you. In my journey, I am fortunate to have crossed paths with other traders from WB Trading, such as William, Thomas, and Paul, and this has certainly helped me with my mental well-being. Look for ways to improving yourself each day by learning something new. Express your gratitude to live another day, and surround yourself with positive people. Set goals and work out ways to achieve them. Practice discipline and live an examined life. You need money to make money in trading. The more money you have in your trading account, the more profits you can make. So it is important to scale up your trading over time so you can trade a larger account. Take your time and do not rush the process. Execute your rules diligently, and you will get there when the time is right. If I could give you just one thing, I'd want it to be a simple truth that took me many years to learn. If you learn it now, it may enrich your life in hundreds of ways, and it may prevent you from facing many problems that have hurt people who have never learned it. The truth is, no one owes you anything. You have to work for and get what you want yourself. You are responsible for managing your own life, and ultimately, you have the ability to choose the life you want. You will find more success and more happiness when you go through life without assuming anyone owes anything to you. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to speaking soon.